Okay, we're going to draw a rainbow. To start our rainbow, we're going to make a very, very small, it's important that this is small, bump. And kind of try to put it kind of in the middle of the page. Okay, now we're going to count to 6 and make bumps each time a little bigger. So next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there we have a rainbow. Not all done yet, it's got to be colored. And I'm going to make a bumpy line that goes and touches each of my little rainbow lines. So it'll look like it's in the clouds. There we go. Okay, on a rainbow, the outside is red. So our first color on our rainbow is going to be red. Okay. After red is going to come orange. And after orange, you're going to have yellow. After yellow, it's going to be green. After green, it's going to be blue. And after blue, last color on our rainbow is going to be purple, the littlest piece. Okay. So when you get these in the right order, it's going to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. That means first colors, the ones we start with, because you can't mix anything to make red, yellow, or blue. You have to start with them. Then in between those primary colors, so in between yellow and red, we have their mixed color. If you mix yellow and red together, you get orange. So that's why it's between them on the rainbow. So if you mix yellow and blue together, you get green. And if you mix blue and purple, you mix blue and red, you get purple. Okay. So this is how we draw and color a rainbow. You can of course add stuff to the sky and in the clouds. You want it to be a fun fantasy picture with your rainbow. That sounds great. But this is the order that the rainbow has to be in to be the real kind of rainbow. If you had purple next to orange, it just wouldn't make sense. Okay guys, there's the basic rainbow. You can add details.